Hey, howdy y'all, and I just wanted to talk with you guys tonight. Man, this is first glance, okay, he's going to talk about Knob Creek, but not any Knob Creek, not just any Knob Creek. This is a new Knob Creek, the first of its kind on the market. This is a single barrel select cask strength Knob Creek, bottled at 126.6 proof, so it's a little higher than normal. This is the first one available. This one comes from John O's in Elizabethtown, Kentucky. This barrel only yielded 90 bottles, so not only is it the first pick, it is an extremely limited number of bottles available. And the cost, you would think being cask strength barrel select, it would be a lot more than normal, but it's not. It's only like $5 more than the regular single barrel select at 120 proof. So not a bad price. $70 a bottle plus tax to get your hands on a little bit of history, y'all. Very first cask strength. So I went ahead and poured it to let it sit for a couple minutes before I filmed, and let's just jump into it, y'all. Oh, yeah, that classic Knob Creek nose. Lovely. Charge, y'all. Ooh. Yeah, that hits a bit different than that 120. Ain't gonna lie. But it's delicious. If you're a fan of Knob Creek, this is one you're going to want. Not only is this the first one, but there's some other stores that are going to be having some Knob Creek cask strength selects coming very soon. So keep your eyes open. Like I said, this was the first. This one, not only a 126.6, but this one is 9. Let's see. 9.5 years, I think, or 10.5. Grab a light, or actually, I'm grab the old glasses, y'all, and a light. 2015 to 2025, so 9.5 years, 126.6 proof. Knob Creek, single barrel select. Go out and grab them, y'all. Like I said, only 90 bottles made, split between two John O stores here in Elizabethtown, and the one that I went to this afternoon on Dixie. When I was there at around 2 o'clock this afternoon, there was only 39 bottles left at that location. The other location, the 45 bottles, was on the way over there, so make sure you run out and get it. Not as bad a bite on that second sip, but it's still there, y'all. That difference in proof is there. If you're a high proof drinker, you are going to enjoy this. Classic Knob Creek taste, more proof to it, and it's delicious. $70 a bottle, y'all. Make sure you go and get it. All right, stay safe. As always, bourbon on.